Matt from Keystone Experience. July has been a slow month. Can't say it's not been without some discouragement and some slowdowns. Had a 2-week slowdown, but we did start framing today. Or I should say my framer started framing, and we made some good progress. So I think this next section will move pretty quick. What do you say, Isaac?
I don't know.
So this is the mudroom coming in here. Bathroom there. Pantry here. Coming into the new kitchen right here. Looking back at the mudroom. Some structural. This will head down to the basement. And the new stair will flip. 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Woo! Lord. It's really nice. It's warm in the back. When you move it, it gets really warm. But it's cold everywhere else.
Did you catch that, Brendan?
Yeah.
Take a picture. You want to release him?
There he goes.
Hello all y'all, it's Matt from Keystone Experience. It's been a crazy July. July's almost over. Didn't make as much progress as I would have wanted to. Got pulled onto working on a different project in the evenings. We have a rental property that we're getting ready to list as part of some raising money for the construction costs for the addition. But yesterday, they started framing the house addition, and here you can see it in the back. Entry to the mudroom. And so, yeah, John Fry's my framer. He's moving it forward, and it's going right together. He thinks it'll all be framed in 2 weeks. So anyway, I've been painting and installing kitchens and doing stuff like that, and much sooner be out here on this project, but you know what? We all have time from 6 p.m. till 9 p.m. and I'm painting and installing kitchens and floors right now, so hope you all are doing well. Crack yourself a pirate soda. The day thou gavest, Lord, has ended. Emma, let's go in the door here. What do you think?
It's looking great. This space is a little smaller here than I was imagining.
The mudroom?
Yeah, I think it'd be fine, but wow. And kitchen. So these are just
Hey, Mom. Is this gonna be our room? This is gonna be our room.
Hey, Brendan, careful with that window. Abby, careful with that window. You don't want you falling out.
Yeah, that's gonna be your closet.
Progress.
No, you need to hold my hand.
Hey, Dad.
Not why. Yes, Mommy.
Yes, Isaac.
Is there gonna be like a wall over here?
Yeah. Busy day here on the job site. I guess we're at day 125-ish. The booms are taken up to the addition. I'm working on the rental property, getting that painted and putting some flooring in, but I had to get an air compressor and a chainsaw from the job site. Let's go and see what they're doing. There they are, getting after it.
Kinda getting after it.
You got slowed down by this big LVL that needs to go in here. Who asked for that?
Yeah, it's pretty square. Okay, pretty square. Now grab John's tape that's behind
Getting in from Bethel Street, getting the painting done here. And hopefully we'll bleach and scrub the kitchen floor prior to installing the floating vinyl floor. And then once the floating vinyl floor's in, we'll put the kitchen cabinets in. But hey Isaac, what are you doing over there?
Drawing.
What are you drawing a picture of?
A treehouse.
Cool! You gonna show me the treehouse?
Yeah.
You gonna describe to me what you're drawing?
This is the first floor.
Okay.
This is where we do the stuff, and these are our desks.
Desks. Okay, what's on the second floor?
The second floor is some. Wait. This is the first and last and first, and the second floor is two. There's two beds on.
Which pillars? Oh, I'll have to come and look at them. What do you see?
I see you.